You're always trying to escape pain, and you want to always be comfortable. God wants us to feel some type of pain at times. He looks at it different the way we do. We don't want to feel pain. We don't want to feel uncomfortable. But God is letting us know He wants you to go through pain sometimes. He wants you to go through that struggle so He can build you up. And that's the thing, myself included, I always want to run away from pain. I always want to run away from struggle. See, there's a chart that I'm showing right here, right now. My dad had sickle cell anemia, so he had a disease, but he was the closest to God ever because he's the one that instilled God on me. He's the one that told me to pray every night. He told me about Jesus Christ. It's up to us to struggle and go through those hard times because my dad was always in the hospital. He was always in so much pain. He always told me he wanted to die every time I would talk to him. Every time we would be at home and I'll be sitting on the couch with him, he would say, I just want to die. He was just going through so much pain because he had an incurable disease. But God allowed him to go through that pain and through that suffering that I seen my dad go through. It helped me learn about the same suffering that we all have to endure. And that's what's going to make us get better in life. Because we don't want to feel suffering. We want to be comfortable. But God's not calling us to always be comfort. He's calling us to get uncomfortable and do what we got to do. Come out here and inspire people. So that pain is going to build character. So you have to go through that pain. You have to put that work in. Remember, it's going to refine you. We all want to run away from pain. We all want comfort. I'm going to pull up these charts right here. They did a study saying that pain helps people get more spiritually in tune with God. So with that pain, it's going to help you get a deeper connection spiritually with God. So we always want to run from pain. We always want to look for comfort in something. We don't want to struggle. We don't want to feel pain. But that's something that God wants us to go through at times so it can build character for us coming out here in this world. See, He looks at pain differently the way we look at pain. We always want to just, be comfortable. We don't want to get out our comfort zone. We don't want to go through this suffering and this pain. But what does He tell us? The Lord lets us know we have to do long suffering. We'll be blessed for the suffering. And if you're going to be a Christian, you're going to walk with Christ, He's going to require you to suffer at times. He's going to require you to do long suffering and be obedient to that as well. So that's something that we always have to remember. But pain is going to help refine you into something better. You're going to go through all this pain. You're going to go through all this torment, but it's going to help push you and help you get to that next level. A lot of us don't want to feel that pain, but that pain is very crucial, especially, being a man and you're trying to do something positive in this world, bring change. You're trying to provide for your family. You're trying to do all these other things for yourself and your loved ones around you. It's crucial that you can get refined through that pain process to help you push forward and get to that next level that you're trying to get to. Always remember that. The pain is just something we have to go through. It's going to be temporary. It's going to refine you, and it's going to build you into something way better. So back then I used to call it struggle, but now it's not about the struggle no more. It's about really struggling, getting through the pain to build you into something that God wants you to be. So that's something that we always have to remember and keep our mind focused on. Again, that strength's going to be right there for you. It's going to be refined into who you are, going through the struggles, going through the hard times, going through the torment, going through that pain and suffering. Don't try to get comfortable. Don't try to run away from it. You can try to run away from it, but it's always going to come follow you because this is something God wants you to go through so He can build you to be a way stronger man, to be a way stronger individual, to be a way stronger person so you can get through these challenges, so you can get through life, so you can get through handling what you got to handle out here. So remember, stop running away from pain. Stop looking for comfort. Everything that you're looking for in life, your peace, your joy, your happiness, is going to come once you can suffer and get through that pain. So always remember that.